What? What is with you? What just happened?
People.
What people?
People are people.
Some stereotype out there.
I don't know if you want to call it a stereotype, but so trying to go get lunch. Then MSC on my way, and I go to get lunch. I come up. I brought the right away. There's nobody coming towards me. It's just the guy at the light. And since I've got the right away, I'm starting pulling in to the road. Well, when I start to pull, another guy starts coming down the road from my right. He's still pulling far away from me. Well, this guy at the stop sign starts hooking out. So I'm going this way, I'm turning, all of a sudden this guy turns and he comes out quick.
What?
And I have to jerk it to the right a little bit so I don't get clipped in the driver's side door. And when I do that, I end up run off the road behind the bank.
It's like a movie car chase scene or some crap.
I don't know about it was just like, all I do is get to lunch. That's all I want. And then about 5 minutes later, when I pull into the office to eat my lunch, I almost get hit again. And that was probably less than 10 minutes apart.
People are people, man. That sucks.
It's just like, damn it. But that's all. What about you?
It's just another day at the office, the mines, what have you, and whatnot. People are people. I will say, I've had a question about Lyft drivers lately, and in a fun way. It's been really interesting. Really neat guy with a really wild shirt picked me up yesterday. I was in the middle of running errands, and ended up, there was just a adorable teller in my bank, I swear. And it's like, you know what? There's something. What is it? You know what? I didn't realize, it was too professional a setting, and I couldn't raise it up in the bank. I felt like I had a loaded weapon or something. I had to get out of there before the security guard comes. Yeah, these Lyft drivers. I'm having a bunch of characters. It's really wild.
It's at least entertaining.
I mean, on occasion. Sometimes you'll even get the one that is like, oh, hello. They'll say nothing, and then like, well, you're wearing your cape, your podcast, and you don't want to talk. That's the universal code right there. Just chill. I'm around your phone, passing by. Yeah, we get a lot of crazy ones lately. It's been wild, man. They will get me there, and I'm like, okay. At least you're safe enough not to damage their own shit.
I mean, who's gonna pay for it?
Right.
But, and then the other thing, in the eye pulling this cable. Cable says it's got 200 and something feet. This run is 150 feet. I'm pulling it, and I get 3/4 of the way there, and like 200, I think it was like 70 feet. All of a sudden, run out. I'm like, math.
Too many angles or what? Or was it not your estimation?
Well, no, it was when you pull cable, data cable every so many feet, or it's supposed to be every foot. It has a stamp on it, and it says what footage you're at. Well, turns out somebody had to, I guess, open the box, and when they opened the box, they cut from the other end. So instead of me having 270 feet, on the other side it had 100 and something feet.
It's the wrong amount of footage.
Yeah.
Someone did not mark what they used.
Well, they shouldn't have cut it from the other side.
Like fools. No, every one of them's different color. Eyes of every sample. Such a specimen.
I need to figure out how to sample out something.
I always get a sample. That's why I ask my women which like a portion. You know,
So the same.
I just need one for it. You know, big samples, but you can have a large portion. Different exactly how it's happening.
that's the question. One like a bullet, just back to your ass. See what I mean? You can see it. Yeah, to your ass. On the fire, God bless it. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with this two-party government that's involved by a corporation? Those two moms in a comic bit that they had to back to drug their toddlers on one of those days. That's the kind of asses I'm talking about. Look at that. It's a big guy that knows what to do. You see that? That's how that happens. Media surveillance. Yeah, board. Welcome. Doesn't that sound nasty as fuck? Especially now you're usually yes. Anyway, getting out of the peanut butter last thing, I meant to mostly for humans, but then we just kind of got on a tangent. I'm not going to apologize for being bad. Every time we talk to Radcliff. Peanut butter is like anal spirit animal. She's not going to other guy researcher at work, I'm not going to have him do that. But this guy literally runs like a marathon and he goes to like say frigid times and delves into the very heights of every fucking Mount Fuji's dick hole or something. There's some volcano. He runs around beaches and other towns or some shit, right? But this guy's got the caboose that you can tell ain't loose, and it's always got the juice. And like, I see this guy walking around like a normal person every day. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you, dude? He's like, what? It's like, I can see that ass through that lab coat. It's indecent. It's staring at me. And I filed an HR complaint, and I lost, and I had to take a sexual harassment class. However, that ass, like, homie dude, like, got no hustle in him. But he's got all that ass and saving up for all of his little 10K beach runs, zombie walks, and balls and stuff. And it's nice, you know, you do you. There's something working there. We're safe. No homo. I'll try to get up on it. It's nice to see somebody taking care of that ass like that. Hey, people don't like my ass when it's butt ass naked. I just think I'm not trying to be like making your ass secure. It's ass. I'm not trying to instill insufficient ass syndrome on either one of us. Let's not interpret anything or internalize them. Not an assumption. I'm not judging your ass. I'm not comparing asses. I'm just saying his ass is like Lance Bass. Have you seen that dude's laser game?
Where's Mississippi done right?
I'm just trying to figure out where to have this conversation. What? Fuck.
Oh, see, that's probably my fault. That's no, sir.
How they help?
Well, right here, okay. The heel gap, from sitting in a Christian chair.
Yeah, but
It's because we were having too rowdy getting with Parker all these chairs. Someone had to keep quiet. I wasn't going to let the good time stop. Oh my God, there he is. And, is that fine?
I'm making it up again.
Yes, you chose the right option. That too. Very funny guy, really sweet. Talked to mushrooms, did a lot of psilocybin research. One smart and intuitive person on the planet. Yet, however, the things he would have to say about mushrooms and the conversations we had, experience that it was talking about that were really uplifting and fun and nice. Not all together at one time. I saw something like that on the internet. It's almost like laying bricks, but it lets it lay and dry at the same time as the printing. I do like that one time that we were talking about the Lego modular house.
Oh, I've seen those. Yeah.
This looks like it. Time to recharge the old batteries. Hey man, it's nice to have a rifle. My dick doesn't hurt.
Yeah.